learned how to register with Club Mobay and Club Kingston, you've also learned about the two tools that are available at your fingertips, the partner code and the affiliate link. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the commissions. Money, 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 money. In this video, we'll go over the steps for you to access and view your commissions report.
Log in with your partner code. From there, click on the Reports tab and select Commission Report. Choose the commission period you want, hit Submit, and voila! Your commissionable bookings for the month will appear right on screen. If you'd like to save it, click Export and download your report in seconds.
Easy, transparent, and designed with you in mind.
For more information, please reach out to sales.team@vipattractions.com, or you can contact our Commissions Payables team at commissionspayables@vipattractions.com. Happy selling and happy earning. Make that money.